Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres out here and my shed to house conversion. Hoping this weekend, this is Saturday the 15th, today was the only day it wasn't supposed to rain. And it's been raining on and off all day. I went by, got the material, and got out here, it was raining. Half the way out here it was raining. It finally quit raining for a little bit. I could at least get the truck unloaded, let this stuff start drying out. I mean, I don't know how you're supposed to beat the weather. And also, just an FYI, lumber prices are going up again. Go figure. In June, I bought some 8-foot 2x4s. I had to buy some 10-foot 2x4s today, but I noticed the 8-foots that a month and a half ago I paid $385 for are now $415. So it's all going back up again. Gas is going back up again. The whole thing is a friggin' lie. Everything is a lie. Don't believe anything you hear in the media. It's all a lie. Telling you. But that aside, this stuff will get a chance to dry out now before I use it. That damn, I don't know if you noticed when I was offloading it, but that damn rock wool insulation, that shit ain't cheap, man. I like it, and I spent the extra money to get it because I'm going to be using it inside my water shed. I don't know, the addition I'm building on there. I don't know what else to call it. But, yeah, it's because it's, moisture proof, mold proof. Mice don't like it. Insects don't like it. I mean, because there's going to be mice and stuff in that little room. I'm sure of that. But the pink insulation, they just make a nest out of that. This stuff should last better. Now, I'm going to use the pink stuff in the ceiling, but, because it just, it just costs so much. The 2 bats I got will go for the walls I got and maybe, a couple of the rows in the ceiling. I don't know. But yeah, $85 a package. I don't know how people can do it. Good for them, though. What else is happening? Ain't much else happening. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. So, I'll get some work done inside tomorrow, hopefully. And later this afternoon, I'll do some inside. But everything I brought out here is wet, so now I got to wait for it all to dry out before I could even use any of it. But that's my poor update for the day. I will be trying to do a live stream tonight. If y'all want to hang around. This is Joe out here at St. Bernard Acres in the rain once again. I'm out.